Check this out. I recently saw a post where someone said that they had purchased a Canon EOS R camera for only $160. And in the comments, everybody was asking, how did you get such a great deal? Well, it turns out that they saw a crazy listing on Amazon. They thought that the price was too good to be true, but they decided to click on it and just hope for the best. That a month after doing that, the package just showed up at their door and they got a great deal on a camera. So, in my last video, I mentioned that I was thinking about doing coilovers on the car. So I started searching around and looking for the prices on the coilover set and where I can find them. So I started searching around like on throttle.com and a couple of different places. Shout out to the Throttle and Hoonigan guys. As I'm doing my search, I also decided to check eBay for availability and also Amazon. And as I was scrolling the pages of Amazon, I found this Rev 9 kit for about $530. So I was thinking, you know what? Maybe I can save a little money and get that kit. But as I continued to scroll, I saw the same coilover set for $53. So I clicked the listing and I start checking it out and everything seems legit. So right away I thought back to that post for the EOS R camera. So I said, you know what? Let's give it a shot for $53. Think about that, $53. And it showed up yesterday. I could not believe it. And I now have coilovers. There it is. Rev9power.com. I don't even know what to think about that. Let's see what's inside. All right. Okay. Wow. Check that out. Okay. So it looks like this might have been used or returned. The reason why I'm saying that is like, I don't know if we can get that on camera, but through the plastic I can see the wear on, see the edge there? That's how you adjust the softness and the hardness of the shock. The springs look okay. This one does. Let's see the other one. Oh. Yeah, on the front struts. I don't know if we can see that through the bag. Well, maybe that's why they were $50. But I cannot say anything. It is the complete set. I don't know why those caps, because in all sincerity, from what I can see here, it is the only part of this entire thing that looks like it's been worn at all. I'm excited to be able to put this onto the car, but finding parts for this car is hard enough, let alone some coilovers. If you've watched my previous video with the tire rotation, I'll put a card up there as I put this car together and I start doing this by myself. It's a DIY project car build, and as of right now, it's only me. So all of your help and support is appreciated. I just can't believe that I got such an amazing deal on these coilovers. I would highly recommend you checking out all the sources and availability for projects that you're doing yourself. Amazon really came through. You know, it's a legit distributor, some garage in California that, you know, sells through Amazon, and I was able to get such an amazing deal. So that's just a holiday gift for the vehicle and allows me to get other projects going a lot sooner because now I don't have to budget for the coilovers. I'm super ecstatic to get things started while I put the coilover set on the car and see what wheels and tire package I end up going with. Another thing that I have planned, I'm thinking maybe to see if I hire a artist on Fiverr or something. Hire an artist to see if they can come up with like a concept idea of this vehicle and what I can build off of that, you know, just to kind of give myself a couple of ideas to see what this car would look like if it were to be like fully modded out. I wonder if there's a Rocket Bunny set for this car. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.